From down low, back up to the blue line. Big shot. Score! And there's number one. High slot's a good scoring area. Took advantage of it with that wrist shot.
And Gary, I'll tell you who deserves as much credit as the goal scorer, the guy that made the pass. Nice assist.
The Penguins snipers trying to go to work here in the second period. They've got the lead.
They've got the lead.
Big time chance. Scores! And that's going to knot it up.
All Brad Richards really needs to see is a tiny bit of twine, and he'll nail it.
New York Rangers offense gets it done for the moment. At least they have tied this game up. And the coach, he's got that one on the stick. That was just wobbling around for a minute. Quick shot. Save and a great one. Oh, what a shot. Scores! And that's going to be an early go-ahead goal. Boy, when that puck is bouncing around on rebounds down low, it's real tough to find. He did. He's got a goal.
Not a heck of a lot of room low to the stick side. I thought he might be able to stop this one. Didn't happen.
Can you build off that great early goal at home? Well, we're going to find out, because right here, if they can pick up. Offensive rush, 3-on-2. Opportunity on that move. Big time. Score! And the first goal to be scored in this game. Good use of the wrists on that one. He snaps that baby home for a goal.
High to the stick side. That's exactly where the shot came, and that's where this goalie got beat.
You felt they were going to get goals tonight just by the way they were playing, but it sure took a while.
It took a while. And
to Elias. 2-on-2 the other way. Hey, how about that move? He kind of dangled a little bit. You'll see that on NHL tonight. Snap that one. Tough save. Scores! Boy, does that get the crowd into it. Nothing like an early goal on your home ice. That rebound came in its scoring territory, and he wasn't going to miss it down low.
oh, he was in desperation mode, but it did not work. Now they'll drop the puck, and what they want is another goal. They want to start right now to put this game away.